be stopping out here for a couple minutes so you can all get photos and those kinds of things. And but I do ask you to please stay in your seats here until the engineer blows the whistle. Once he does, you're welcome to stand up, move around, whatever you like. We do ask that you stay on the train, please. Keep those stairwell areas clear, and please no standing on the seats. Hang on for just a second.
You all just in time. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun tonight. A whole heap of fun. But if we're gonna do it right, I'm gonna need help from all y'all out there train. First thing I need to do is take both your arms, put them out in front of you, just like this.
Yeah, we can do that.
Oh yeah, get out there. It'll help cool you down. All right, now once you got them arms out there, before you take the boat, you raise them up over your head, because this here is a train robbery.
Oh.
Yeah, get your hands up. Oh, you don't want to go make me nervous, because we got you covered.
What do you mean we got you covered? I see one crazy coon-headed guy out here, he doesn't even have a gun.
Oh, now, that just shows us how much he don't know. Because I got my brother Clem and his guns, they hitting real good, too. Go on, Clem, show yourself. Oh, yeah, I bet he's got a bead on each and every one of you.
Oh, and I would, too, if I only had my gun.
You ain't got your... Where's your gun?
Well, it was too cumbersome, so I left it over by the mine.
Clem, it's over. And you pick up that gun, and you cover this here thing like I done told you. I'm the one making the rules around here.
Well, you know, I got to thinking about that. If I'm the one who's got the gun, maybe I should be the one who makes the rules.
Oh, yeah. You want to make the rules, do you? Clem, why don't you just stop and think? Oh, yeah. Once he stops to think, he don't ever remember to start back up again. Hey, Clem, who's making the rules now? Bang! Oh. Yeah, wake up his arm. Oh, now that's still water.
I'm going to have to mend that part.
Clem, you get out of here where I can shoot you.
Oh.
Bang! Oh, now that's a devil. Oh, you got this coming, you.
What do you say we cease the fighting for now and commence to robbing this here train?
Well, Clem, I sure do hate to admit it, especially coming from you. There's the right idea. Especially seeing how we all out of ammo.
Out of ammo? What's keeping the train from running off?
Don't screw your pretty little head over that, huh? Check out the plunger box all rigged up. Ready to go, too.
But the plunger box is for the mine.
Right. That plunger box at your feet, that goes that big old time dynamite that goes at the mine. But this plunger box, oh, I have this plunger box, I like to call this my boom box, yeah! Because I got to run some dynamite, I'm stuck right here on the train. Oh, yeah, you know how to see now, ain't you, darling? That's right, this train tries to take off without our say-so. Boom! Oh, I'm going to blow it up.
Oh, yeah, you're always just finding reasons to blow stuff up.
Yeah, I am. And I find them, too.
Now wait, before you go blowing everything, what do you say we commence to robbing this train?
Well, I reckon it do make sense if we get that money before I blow up this here train.
Tell you what, I'll start his back car here.
All right, I'll start up here this here front car.
Folks, keep those aisleways clear. Have your money out to drop in those bags, because I...
There's another one there. You want some too? You're welcome.
I just throw my change out there.
I know, I just threw my change out there.
Daniel, don't throw it. Give it to the guy.
Daniel, he's coming. He's coming.
You
gotta give him the money.
How old is he?
Look alive now, we got ourselves. Oh my word, you're a magician.
just made all our money, didn't we?
We ain't asking for nothing nobody can't afford.
Put the money in the hat.
Oh my word, you got a case of cactus head going on there. I want to see a physician about that. He's got the gold. Give me a high five. All right. Give me a high five. Now you gotta go to wash those ladies, especially right before supper.
They're funny.
Right now, she's gonna sew you right
Well, thank you, darling.
Your partner's not very fast.
Well, I'm the one who's slow on the
So work hard. They pull ore out of the mine. They go down in the mine, they dig up all the silver ore, they load it in that cart, and they pull it to the top.
Clem, you know you ain't cut out for no fiscal responsibility behind that hair. Oh yeah, you folks was awful good and generous. Clem, let's make sure our escape before they change their minds. Oh yeah, you know y'all done right by us. We sure do appreciate it. This here's a fine haul, a mighty fine haul. Why, Clem, we gonna get home and Mama, she's gonna be so proud of us. She's gonna... Clem, what are you on about?
Well, I wanted one of them sacks for myself.
Oh, Nestor, you want to sack your own, do you? Well, I'll tell you what, Clem, when I was setting that charge of dynamite back in that there mine, I done spied me a nice, fat, plump sack of silver. I'll trade you that sack of silver if you'll hear half of this robbery.
Well, take you right up on that.
Oh, now, sometimes it's almost too easy.
I don't see no silver.
Oh, now, Clem, you gotta go right on the back of the mine, right after we done sent that charge. Mama always said, don't let opportunity pass you by. I don't know, what do y'all think? Should I or shouldn't I? What you scared of?
It's the dark in here.
Well, close your eyes.
Oh, it's the dark in there too.
I'll tell you what to do. How about you open them eyes? And I like you there.
Okay.
Oh, I bet we done scared the dickens out of here. So, hey, Clem, well, that's really not doing that next to an open flame.
Oh, you think that's funny?
Oh, yeah. Hey, man. Come on, there really was a sack of silver in that there mine. Look at that here. Well, that's mine. Oh, Clem. Well, that ain't no silver. Ah!
Nope. This here is dynamite. TNT. I got it smack in the mine. Hey, brother. I think you forgot something.
Hey, a candle.
That's how the train got wet.
Danielle, did you get wet?
I love this little one. She's so like, it's fun. She looked over as soon as that went off. She's like, come back now, you hear?
Leo!
How about a big round of applause for these wacky guys?